Hey guys, back again, showing you another emote set. I, if you haven't seen the other videos, I'm going to first kind of cover the basics of the HUD and how to use it, and then the final 2 minutes of the video will just be the animation set playing through. First I'll show you the chat triggers, and then it'll go through the whole set, just to give you an idea of what it looks like. That's kind of the best means I have to demo them right now. If I think of something better, I will try to implement it. So these sets are really nice because it's just plug and play. You don't have to do any work, any thinking. If you're one of those people who's been very confused about the emote system or very lazy, this is just put it on, turn it on, and you can even detach it once it's on, and it'll continue to play for you. I've got on my logo bento elf ears, so you'll notice those tend to react with the face. They're programmed to. That's the way I like them. Right now, they're reacting to the last emote set I had on. And they've also got this bento ear AO that comes with them. So I actually have another set playing right now. I can turn that off, but there's not really any point. When I turn this one on, it'll erase that. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that on. This is the pleasure set. This is for while you are being intimate with someone and you don't want to have that kind of fake mannequin face going on while things are happening. So she's just meant to sort of look like she's animated, she's enjoying herself, maybe she's occasionally surprised or excited, that sort of thing. So she's just going to kind of cycle through a bunch of different emotions that I feel will probably look good while you're in certain positions on certain furniture. And once again, I'm trying to keep this video PG, so if you've seen my BJ video, you know that that's always a fun time as I skirt around certain phrases and words and try to convey what I mean. So, the pleasure set. Going to stop this for a moment and just go over the optionals with you real quick. Good lord, sorry, that was a really loud truck going by my house. You probably heard that. The middle 5 buttons here are going to be an optional selection. So the first 10 are the cycling face AO, as you might call it. It's called a random emote set. And then the next 5, you can either turn them on and add them to the randomly cycling, or you can just trigger them one by one whenever it suits you. So I tried to make this like, yeah, we're having sex, but we're done, and I'm tired, and it's over now. Go away. You know, some of these are just sort of like, oh, that was really nice, I enjoyed that, or, you know, hey, it's time, you know, maybe this is your pre-coitus face, so to speak, to sort of, oh, honey, you know, that aphrodisiac you gave me really kicked in. And so the next one is just sort of a, yeah, I'm feeling good, I enjoyed myself, let's go and have some more fun. Make sure nobody's looking. Let's sneak around this corner. And this one's, I thought of maybe an O face, or surprised somehow by the person you're sharing furniture with. And then our next one coming up here is another possible O face for those finale moments when you want to let your partner know they've done a good job. How's that sound? So that's the whole set. I'll go ahead and set this so it'll play for you guys for about 2 minutes, just so you can see how it runs through, and you know, leave any comments or questions in the bottom of the video. Thank you. Bye.